Over to me then. Over to me. Centre rear drive shaft in need of a new pin. Rather than throwing this in the bin, I'm going to show you how to swap that knackered old pin out quickly and easily. What you just saw down there is a Hudy pin tool. There are 4 components, A, B, C and D. You're going to use each component at different stages of the pin tool replacement. Yeah, and it is very easy, and it will take about a minute and a half to do it. So let's get cracking. Let's swap this pin out very quickly and just watch what I do. Give me the new pin. My cameraman's got a new pin in her hand. Camera woman, should I say. Place the pin temporarily. You won't be able to push it in. Just place it in as best as you can until you're ready for the tool. I'll do my best because it's tighter than I thought. There you go. Okay. Pin tool down here. And okay, let's drive that pin in. Let's continue until it's driven through. Make sure the shaft is seated properly. You don't want it pinging out. A little bit more. Just a little bit more. And that, my friends, is a brand new pin. 1 centre drive shaft salvaged with the Hudy pin tool. A bit more difficult because I was trying to film and explain it to you, but it's nice and easy. Always use a £2 club hammer, not a hammer. Use a £2 club hammer and use a hard surface. Thanks for watching.